how to make a Word document with 3 easy ways. So let's do that. Hi everybody, I hope you to be fine and well. I'm Wali Ahmad Mohammadi with a new lesson of MS Office. In this video we are going to talk about how to make a file or a Word document in 3 easy ways. So let's start. And the first way is write the word in the search box and then it will be appeared. Open the Word file. Here we have blank document. Click on this and as you can see this is a Word file. But hey, you should know that it hasn't been saved on your computer or your PC and it will not be placed on that. So what should you do and how you should know that it isn't in your computer or it hasn't been saved? Because here, if you do not rename a file and if you do not save the file, you just see this document 1 or 2, 3, 4, and then you will see this name, the Word. So how we can save this? Let me write something. The first Word file, and now it is time to go to file, or even you can press on this save. You can close and press on this save, or you can press on Control then S. Let me show you here. Control S, or anything that you want, then it will go you to save as and save this file in any place you want. Let me save it to desktop, and here I can write its name, the name of this file. It's going to be a new file, then save it. That was the first file that we made with Word document. And another way is that you can go to Word file, Word again, Word program, and now you can press Ctrl N. Or if you open a file or a new file that we made, this is our document that we have already made and recently made that. So here you can press Ctrl N, and this is going to be another file. You can, another Word document or a file, you can write anything that you want, then press save or save as, and then you can set the location, and that was it. There is another way that you can make a new file any place that you want, in any folder or in any file, in any drive. You can right click on anywhere you are, then on go to new section, and here if you already installed Office, you can see Microsoft Word document. Click on that and it will let you make a Word file easily. Now you can set its name. I will set it to another file, and this is another new document that we have made. Thank you so much. We have learned 3 ways that you can make a Word document. That was it, and in the next video we are going to talk about how to use this MS Office step by step, and we will going forward to clipboard. Have a great time. Till the next video. Wish you all the best.